Are you ready to witness the future of content creation? In this video, we present to you a YouTube video scripted entirely by ChatGPT, a machine learning language model. Get ready to be amazed by the power of AI-generated content and discover how this technology is revolutionizing the way we create videos. Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to this video. Today we have something really exciting for you. This entire video has been scripted by ChatGPT. That's right, I didn't write any of this, ChatGPT did. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a machine create content for you? Well, that's what I am doing today. ChatGPT has generated this entire script and I'm going to be reading it for you. For those of you who don't know, ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that's capable of generating human-like text. It was trained on a massive data set of text and is capable of completing complex tasks like language translation, summarization, and even content creation, like this video script. Now, you might be wondering how this is possible. How can a machine generate human-like text? Well, the answer lies in the power of machine learning. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive data set of texts and it has learned to recognize patterns in the data. It uses these patterns to generate new text that is similar to the input it's been given. Now, you might be wondering if this technology is going to replace content creators. The answer is no. ChatGPT is just a tool and it still requires human supervision. While it can generate text, it cannot create content that's completely unique or creative. That requires a human touch. Now, you might be thinking, if ChatGPT can't create truly unique content, then what's the point? And that's a fair question. But the truth is, ChatGPT and similar language models have the potential to be incredibly useful tools for content creators. For example, imagine being able to generate a rough draft of a script in minutes instead of hours, or being able to quickly summarize research findings for a video or article. ChatGPT and similar language models can make these tasks faster and more efficient, allowing creators to focus more on the creative aspects of their content creation. But of course, there are also potential downsides to this technology. One concern is that it could be used to spread misinformation or fake news. If someone were to use a language model to generate a news article, for example, and that news article contained false information, it could be spread rapidly through social media before anyone had a chance to fact check it. This is something we need to be aware of and take steps to prevent. So in conclusion, ChatGPT and similar language models are not perfect. They represent an exciting development in the world of technology and content creation. They have the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient, but we also must be aware of their limitations and use them responsibly. Thanks again for watching this video, scripted entirely by ChatGPT. We hope you found it interesting and thought-provoking. If you have any thoughts or questions about this technology, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And with that, we bid you farewell, but not goodbye. Keep exploring the endless possibilities of technology, and who knows, maybe someday you'll create a video scripted entirely by ChatGPT yourself. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next one.